All right, so we just looked at law of detachment and law of syllogism, both deductive reasoning. Here's my maps for them. So now we're going to give some examples, and then you're going to tell me, is this a valid statement or not, and which law was used. So, given, if I drive over the speed limit, then I will get a ticket. I drive over the speed limit. Conclusion, I got a ticket. Yes, if P then Q, P is given to me, therefore Q. I got a ticket. Yes, law of detachment. All right. Number 2, if Amanda goes to the restaurant, then she will order a hamburger. If she orders a hamburger, then she will get fries. So the conclusion is, if Amanda goes to the restaurant, then she will get fries. Absolutely. If P then Q, if Q then R, P then R. So that's law of syllogism. All right, number 3, if it snows, then I will wear my snow boots. If it snows, then I won't go to school that day. No, there's nothing like that. If P then Q, if P then R, and then if I don't go to school, so there's no reasoning there. So this is no valid conclusion. All right, number 4, if Tina goes to the beach, then she will wear sunscreen. Tina goes to the beach. Tina will wear sunscreen. Law of detachment. If P then Q, give me P. Conclusion is Q. So that's law of detachment. All right, number 5. If you get a cold, then you eat chicken soup. You ate chicken soup. You must have a cold. No. If P then Q, there is no law that says give me Q and then give me the hypothesis. So this is no valid conclusion. It does not match the order. No valid conclusion. All right, let's look at the back real quick. All right, if 2 angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. If 2 angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is 180. If 2 angles form a linear pair, then the sum of their measures is 180. Classic law of syllogism. All right, if Kaylee gets at least a 95 on her final exam, she will get an A in geometry. Kaylee got a 98 on her final exam. Kaylee got an A in geometry. Absolutely. She met her hypothesis. She got a 98, and then she got an A. So law of detachment. All right. If it is raining, then you must bring an umbrella. If P, then Q. You bring your umbrella. It is raining. No, that doesn't follow my order, so no valid conclusion. All right, use the law of syllogism to write 3 conditional statements that can be formed from the following ones. It has 4 right angles, so you could take A and C. If a quadrilateral is a square, then it has 4 right angles. If a quadrilateral has 4 right angles, then it is a rectangle, and then you can match these 2 together. You can take B and E. If a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then its opposite sides are parallel. If the opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram, and so then you can match them. If a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then it is a parallelogram. So that's kind of your law of detachment real quick, so these videos don't go too long. If you have questions on them, come see me.